Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to export Strava data as a GPX file. To export your Strava data, you need to use the Strava website because full export option is not available for the mobile app. First, just go ahead and open any web browser to your liking, and then just go ahead and search for Strava. And then once that you have logged in into your Strava account using your email and password, go to the activity that you want to export. So let's say I want to export this particular activity. I will just click on the activity name, and here at the left-hand side, you'll see 3 dots. Just go ahead and click on 3 dots, and there is option for Export GPX. Strava will automatically download the GPX file to your device, and here you can see we have successfully exported our GPX file. Also, this file contains your route data, including GPS point distance and movement details. You can now use this GPX files in other apps, map, or fitness platform, and that's it. We just learned how to export Strava data as a GPX file by opening the activity on the website and selecting Export GPX. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.